Hey there, tech fans! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of recommendation systems. Ever wonder how your favorite streaming service seems to know you better than you know yourself? It's almost like magic, right? Or how online stores magically suggest products you didn't even know you needed. It's as if they can read your mind. The answer lies in the incredible technology of recommendation systems. These clever AI algorithms are like digital detectives, constantly analyzing your online behavior to predict what you might like. Think about it. Every click, every view, every purchase is a clue. Every time you watch a movie, buy a book, or even click on a link, you're leaving a digital footprint. This footprint is a treasure trove of information. Recommendation systems gobble up this data like a hungry caterpillar munching on leaves. They process and analyze it to understand your preferences. They use this information to create a personalized profile of your likes and dislikes, your interests, and even your habits. It's like having a personal shopper or a movie buff friend who knows exactly what you're in the mood for. Imagine having someone who can suggest the perfect movie for a Friday night or the ideal book for a lazy Sunday afternoon. But instead of a human, it's all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. Pretty cool, right? AI is transforming the way we interact with technology, making our experiences more personalized and enjoyable. From movies and music to books and shopping, recommendation systems are everywhere. They help us discover new content and products that we might not have found on our own. These systems are constantly learning and evolving, getting better at predicting our preferences with each interaction. The more we use them, the smarter they become. So next time you get a recommendation that feels spot on, remember it's not magic. It's the amazing work of AI and data science at play. The future of recommendation systems is even more exciting. Imagine a world where every aspect of your digital life is seamlessly tailored to your tastes and needs. As AI continues to advance, the possibilities are endless. Personalized experiences will become more intuitive, making our lives easier and more enjoyable. So embrace the power of recommendation systems and enjoy the personalized journey they offer. The future is personalized, and it's here to stay. Let's face it, we live in a world overflowing with choices. Every day we're bombarded with an endless array of options, from the latest movies and music to books, clothes, and gadgets. Movies, music, books, clothes, gadgets, you name it, there are endless options. It's like standing in front of a massive buffet with too many dishes to choose from. It can be overwhelming, like trying to find a needle in a haystack. The sheer volume of choices can leave us feeling paralyzed, unsure of where to start or what to pick. That's where recommendation systems come in handy. These intelligent algorithms are designed to help us navigate through the chaos. They act as your personal filter, sifting through the mountains of information to find the hidden gems you'll actually enjoy. By analyzing your preferences and past behavior, they can suggest items that are tailored just for you. Think of them as your trusty sidekick, guiding you through the digital jungle and pointing you towards the most exciting discoveries. Whether it's a new book that matches your taste or a movie that fits your mood, these systems make the process seamless. Without these helpful algorithms, we'd spend all our time searching and scrolling, never getting around to actually enjoying the things we love. Imagine spending hours just trying to decide what to watch or read next, only to end up frustrated and exhausted. Recommendation systems save us time and energy, allowing us to focus on what truly matters. They streamline our decision-making process, giving us more time to immerse ourselves in the experiences we cherish. So next time you feel overwhelmed by choices, remember that there's a smart system ready to help you find your way. One of the coolest tricks up a recommendation system's sleeve is something called collaborative filtering. This technique is all about finding patterns in group behavior. Imagine a group of friends who all love sci-fi movies, adventure novels, and pepperoni pizza. If one of them discovers a new sci-fi book they absolutely love, chances are their friends will love it too, right? Collaborative filtering works the same way. The system identifies users with similar tastes and preferences. Then, it recommends items that these like-minded individuals have already enjoyed. It's like harnessing the power of friendship to discover amazing new things. But wait, there's more. Recommendation systems also use a technique called content-based filtering. This method focuses on the characteristics of the items themselves. Let's say you're a huge fan of documentaries about marine biology. A content-based filtering system will take note of this preference. It will then recommend other documentaries about the ocean, coral reefs, or sharks. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your taste in movies, books, or music inside and out. They're constantly on the lookout for anything that matches your unique profile. AI gets smart matrix magic and deep dive into data. We will explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and how it is revolutionizing the way we understand and interact with data. Now hold on to your hats, because things are about to get even more mind-blowing. We're diving into some of the most cutting-edge techniques that AI researchers are using to make our digital experiences more personalized and intuitive. To make recommendations even more accurate, AI researchers have developed some seriously advanced techniques. These techniques are not just about crunching numbers, they involve sophisticated algorithms that can learn and adapt over time. One of these is called matrix factorization. This method is particularly powerful when it comes to understanding complex datasets. Don't let the fancy name scare you. Matrix factorization is essentially a way to break down large sets of data into more manageable pieces, making it easier to find patterns and connections. It's basically a way for AI to find hidden connections between users and items, even if they haven't interacted directly. Imagine it as a detective that can piece together clues from seemingly unrelated data points. It's like figuring out you'd love a certain type of music even though you've never listened to it before. By analyzing your past behavior and preferences, the AI can make surprisingly accurate predictions. Another powerful tool is deep learning. This technique goes even deeper, allowing AI to understand data in ways that were previously unimaginable. This technique allows AI to analyze massive amounts of data and uncover incredibly subtle patterns. It's like having a supercomputer that can sift through mountains of information to find the tiniest details. It's like giving the recommendation system a superpowered magnifying glass, allowing it to understand your preferences on a whole new level. With this enhanced understanding, AI can make recommendations that feel almost magical in their accuracy. What's even more exciting is that these AI systems are constantly learning and improving. The more data they analyze, the smarter they become, continually refining their recommendations. This means that as you continue to use these platforms, the recommendations you receive will become increasingly tailored to your unique tastes and preferences. The future possibilities are endless. AI researchers are continually exploring new ways to enhance these systems, making them more intuitive and responsive to our needs. As AI continues to integrate into our daily lives, we can expect even more personalized and seamless experiences, from the music we listen to the products we buy, and even the content we consume. So, whether it's recommending a new song, suggesting a movie, or even helping you discover a new hobby, AI is transforming the way we interact with the world around us. And this is just the beginning. The magic of AI and its deep dive into data is set to revolutionize our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. Feeling blue? AI knows just the thing. Imagine a future where recommendation systems can sense your mood and adapt their suggestions accordingly. Feeling stressed? The AI might recommend a calming meditation app or a playlist of soothing music. Need a burst of energy? Get ready for some upbeat tunes and motivational podcasts. This might sound like science fiction, but it's closer than you think. Researchers are already exploring ways to integrate biometric data, like heart rate and sleep patterns, into recommendation algorithms. The goal is to create systems that are not only personalized, but also empathetic and responsive to our emotional needs. Responsibility matters, using AI for good. With great power comes great responsibility, and AI is no exception. While recommendation systems offer incredible benefits, it's crucial to use them ethically and responsibly. For example, we need to ensure these systems don't create filter bubbles that limit our exposure to diverse perspectives. Imagine only ever seeing news articles that confirm your existing beliefs. That wouldn't be good for anyone. We also need to be mindful of privacy concerns. Recommendation systems rely on collecting and analyzing personal data. It's essential to have clear guidelines and regulations in place to protect user information and prevent misuse. The future of recommendations, a world of personalized experiences. So, what does the future hold for recommendation systems? Get ready for a world where personalized experiences are the norm. From customized educational content to tailored healthcare recommendations, AI has the potential to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. Imagine a world where students receive personalized learning plans based on their strengths and weaknesses. Doctors use AI-powered systems to diagnose diseases earlier and recommend the most effective treatments. Cities utilize recommendation systems to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. The possibilities are truly endless. By harnessing the power of AI responsibly, we can create a future where everyone has access to the information and resources they need to thrive. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Vlab Solutions.